Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on how to make your own lip scrubs with ingredients in your home. The purpose of a lip scrub is to exfoliate your lips. Exfoliating your lips keeps them feeling and looking healthy, but be careful not to over exfoliate because that could damage your lips. Before applying your lip scrub, be sure to gently brush your lips with your toothbrush and some warm water. This is the first step in exfoliating your lips. The first lip scrub is a sugar and honey scrub. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, but brown sugar is the most advisable. All you need is a small bowl, a teaspoon, some sugar and some honey. You mix the ingredients in the bowl and then you apply them gently on your lip. Sugar is a natural exfoliant, and when mixed with honey, it becomes a great moisturizing lip scrub. The second lip scrub is made using lemon juice and bicarbonate of soda. All you need is a bowl, a teaspoon, a bit of bicarbonate of soda, and a lemon slice. You squeeze the lemon juice into the bicarbonate of soda, mix it up, apply it on your lips gently, and remove it with some warm water. This scrub functions somewhat as a peel for your lips. The lemon helps exfoliate and remove dark marks on your lips. The third scrub is made using toothpaste and sugar. You're welcome to add lemon juice as well if you want to. You simply mix the contents in a bowl and then you apply them on your lips. Then you remove it with some warm water. Keep it on for only 5 minutes and not for longer, just so you don't cause damage to your lips. The final lip scrub is made using turmeric and milk. It also functions as a lip tint. All you need is a bowl, a teaspoon, some turmeric, and some milk. You simply mix the contents in a bowl as well and apply them on your lips for 10 minutes. Then you remove the scrub with some warm water. The turmeric and the milk help to remove dark marks and discoloration on your lips. In order for the lip scrubs to be fully effective, you shouldn't forget to drink water. Not staying hydrated also contributes to your lips becoming dry. Also, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. You can use anything to moisturize your lips. My personal favorite is Vaseline. Also, find a lip balm that protects your lips from the sun. Dis-Chem sells one for about 7 or 10 rand. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you'll potentially try these out to get your lips to look soft and luscious. What other DIY lip scrub recipes do you know of? Feel free to mention them in the comments, or we can alternatively chat on Instagram at Kwetse85 or Twitter at Kwetse Phetla. Thanks for watching. Bye sweeties.